A carbide burr tool is widely used for deburring machine parts because it provides fast, precise removal of sharp edges and unwanted burrs that are left behind after cutting, milling, drilling, or turning operations. During machining, small fragments of metal often remain attached to the workpiece, forming rough edges that can be sharp, uneven, and potentially hazardous. A carbide burr tool, when used with a die grinder or rotary tool, allows the operator to carefully shave away these imperfections without altering the critical dimensions of the part. The hardness and cutting efficiency of carbide makes the tool especially effective on tough materials, such as hardened steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and aluminum, where burrs can be difficult to remove using hand files or sanding tools. In addition to improving safety, a carbide burr tool plays an important role in enhancing the overall quality and functionality of machined components. Burrs and sharp edges can interfere with part assembly, cause improper seating of components, or lead to premature wear in mechanical systems due to friction and stress concentrations. By using a carbide burr tool to smooth and break these edges, manufacturers ensure that parts fit together more accurately and function as intended. This is especially critical in precision industries such as aerospace, automotive, medical device manufacturing, and tool and die work, where even minor surface imperfections can affect performance or reliability. A carbide burr tool also helps improve the final appearance and finish of machined parts. After primary machining operations are completed, surfaces often require secondary finishing to achieve a clean, professional look. The carbide burr tool allows operators to blend rough transitions, smooth sharp corners, and refine edges so the part has a more uniform and polished appearance before coating or final assembly.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.